Hi, it's Caitlin from Caitlin J Osteopathy. I'm just going to go through some exercises with you today that might help with your foot and ankle pain. We're going to do some spiky balling through our feet to help loosen up all those joints through our feet. So we're going to place that spiky ball down onto the floor. We're going to place our foot over the spiky ball and roll backwards and forwards along the whole length of the sole of that foot, hovering on some more tender spots to help relieve that tension, rolling back and forwards. And we want to do that for around a minute on each foot. You can do this standing or you can do it seated. If you're doing it standing, you're going to get a little bit more pressure through that foot. And swapping over to the other side. Starting off just rolling the whole length of the sole of your foot, from that ball of the foot all the way to your heel. To just warm up through those feet first. And then when you find a really tender spot, you may wish to hover over it. And just do some gentle rocking back and forth to relieve all of that tension and restriction through your feet. And we want to do about a minute on each foot or longer if you feel you need that. We're going to come to do some stretches through our calves and through the sole of our feet. So first we're going to come to an all fours position. So hands directly underneath our shoulders, knees directly underneath your hips. Keep your left leg where it is, straighten your right leg long, and then sink back. Trying to bring that heel a little bit closer towards the floor and hold that stretch there to feel that stretch down the entire back of your calf. You may wish to gently rock forwards and backwards through your toes to gently encourage that stretch a little bit further. Trying to bring that heel a little bit closer towards the floor or towards the mat each time you sink back. And then hold back into that stretch. Keeping that quad engaged, keeping that knee straight to gently encourage that stretch through your calf. Then gently bring that right knee back underneath your hip. Straighten your left leg long, sink back through your body, bringing that heel down towards the mat. Then we're going to roll forwards onto those toes and rolling back, bringing that heel down towards the floor and rolling forwards and back through those toes and onto the balls of your feet. Feeling that stretch deepen each time you're rolling backwards. And then we're going to hold back into that stretch, sinking deeper, bringing that left heel a little bit closer towards the floor. And then return that leg back underneath you. We're going to come to be in a low kneel position, tucking our toes under, lifting those heels up. Sink your bottom back onto those heels and then sit up nice and tall and allow your bottom to sit onto those heels and feel that stretch underneath the soles of your feet. And just sit there, sinking a little deeper each time you exhale. Feeling that stretch in through the soles of your feet, keeping those toes tucked under. And staying that stretch for around about 30 seconds.